Welcome to this new training on Primavera P6 EPPM, and this now revision 25.12. And I promised you this for a few months now, and I couldn't do it because I was very, very busy. Now, let's see what's there in Primavera V6 EPPM. The first thing is you notice is how fast is Primavera V6 EPPM is now. That's the most important points I noticed in Primavera V6 EPPM, the new one, the new revision, is the speed of loading the page. That's the big improvement we were looking for, and this is very important for us. The most important new features in Primavera V6 EPPM, the calendars import. As please review my old video I published before a few months about Primavera V6 EPPM 25.12 new features. And professional, one video, and in EPPM is a second video. And I promised you, and I demonstrate Primavera V6 professional live, and I promised you for this one for a long time now. So it's here we are. Of course, we have a very important improvement. If you remember my old videos before 5 years maybe, I was telling you there is no undo in Primavera. Yes, we have it in a few small things, but not in the critical one. If you delete a WBS, if you delete a project, if you delete something important, which you can't get back, now you have a confirmation. Thank you very much, Oracle, for that. Now, we have also notebook. It was very, if you are adding a big text and scope or comments or communications, it was very small to see everything. And now you have it and you can see it very good. Now, the other things is for people who they are having Primavera V6 working with the cloud and other packages. So it's not to explain here. It's a different world. Now, see, this is my portfolio, which I use, and I can just apply. See how fast they are opening? Wow. Before, it takes time, takes ages to just see them. And I like what I see here. Really, really good. Everything is fast, moving. You can check it very fast. You know, I was really dropping Primavera V6 EPPM for sometimes because this slowness and also the complications on the system. But I think the complications on implementation it become very easy to do now. It's just you need to have a server and a big machine to work it out. I'm still working in a small machine, by the way, but it works very well with that. If you are in a server version, it will be faster, much faster. So that's good. See, that's very good. Again, faster. Everything is working very good. Thank you very much, Oracle, for all of this. And that's good. I'm still recommending, by the way, Oracle to work with. Primavera V6 is powerful machine and system. Sorry, system. Especially now when with the apps I created, I have two apps already working, and I'm developing another one specialized for contractors. And this app is replacing Power BI completely. That's number one. Number two, you will not use these dashboards a lot now because here it gives us, to be honest with you, limited insights of what we need because the customization is limited. But if you go for the apps I created, please review it in my videos. It's what we need. I am a person from the field, an expert in project controls, and I design it in the way we need it. It's not an IT people designing something to sell you. It's I am providing a solution. And this solution is better than this 100%. And you can look for the video in my channel. And as the title is, many big companies will not like it because it gives the solution which can replace a lot of tasks in this one, but we still use Primavera V6 database. It's very important, it's very secure, and we're still using it very well. So this is what we have now in Primavera V6 EPPM 25.12, and I recommend to you all to have it and to work inside it. It's very good, and it has a very good system, and it can help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Please review my apps and communicate with me if you want help in implementations and installing Primavera V6 EPPM 25.12, and also getting the new app, which very cost effective, a solution to the point that you need, and even customization can be done in a few days, and you have your report as you want it. A few days, and you have a dashboard that you can work on it immediately. It's not any implementations like before, which is very complicated and takes weeks and months to do. Easy fix based on your needs. One click. Please communicate with us through info@thealbasireppm.com, and we will provide you more information. Thank you very much for watching. Wishing you all the best. This is Engineer Ziad Al Basir. Thank you.